So you've got a YouTube channel and you want to share the URL, but it just doesn't look aesthetically nice. You want to create a vanity URL. So if you go ahead and you click the right hand corner there, you head to YouTube Studio, and it's there we're going to head to customization. Once in customization, you can kind of go from there. But the whole point is, if you're going to be sharing your YouTube URL, you want it to look good and represent you. So here we go. We've got the customization here on the left. We'll click on that. I've got a luxury channel here. So I'm going to keep it simple. And keep this in mind when you are choosing names, even for your own YouTube channel. Try to be original so that you don't run into the problem of when you come up with a name, you may actually have to change or add numbers or letters to it based on somebody else's name that's already taken. So hopefully you're not at that point, but you're going to go to basic info right here. And once inside basic info, you're going to see where it says channel URL. And this is where you're going to go ahead and set up your custom URL for your channel. We'll click there. And you can see it already gives you the example. There's the Snapshot Bliss Luxury, which actually, again, I came up with it. Luxury has been used multiple times. But in the case it's been taken, then you may actually have to add letters or numbers after that. Once I figure out which one that I really want, okay, and this one here, like I said, you got to customize it. I'm going to keep this one right here, and then I'm just going to click Publish. Okay, once URL is set, can't be changed or transferred to a different channel. So here it is right there. I'm going to hit confirm. Now I'm going to go to channel. Now you get to see what it looks like. Now I want you to notice that you got that little C there in the middle. When you share this with someone, you don't have to have that there. So I've been in the middle of changing some of my website information on Facebook, and I want to show you how we're going to do this here. Because maybe Facebook could be a good place for you to share that. See all the websites here on the left hand side. We're going to go to edit details, and again, this is just a little more information here for you. Let's say we just click there on that little pencil icon. Now I can go ahead and I can change this up. Let's say I want to change this up to the YouTube channel. I'm going to go ahead and paste it there. I'm going to take the C out. Let's save it, and let's show you how this looks. So again, depending on what platform you want to share these links on, you definitely want a vanity URL. See, there it is there. This is what it would look like otherwise. It would have random letters and numbers, and you don't want to share that. So if they click on this here, they're redirected to the channel. And it's as simple as that. Guys, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're notified every time that I release new content just like this. Hopefully it was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.